Yeah. Hey,
Oh, can I come join you? You're just right next door. Look, she's peeking around the corner to try and talk to him. Let's make an egg. We'll pretend it's his.
Let's make it in.
Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Flying in the sky.
Only one.
Look at the seagull. Seagull. Oh no, a dog. A dog. Feeding our premises. Ah, my legs! Ay! Mom! He's invading my legs! Ah! You're turning it!
I'm trying to pull it. Pull your legs on top of it, dude.
To the doggy! To the doggy! To the doggy, doggy, doggy. Doggy, 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 dog, dog. Doggy, doggy. It's all night, jumping in the house. Yeah. It's my brother.
That was the trail right there.
Ah! Bad take. They're flying around. Flying around, flying around.
Mr. Tank. Don't know what to do with yourself.
I said he was videotaping. I didn't want to let him know.
Gotcha.
Nope, down. Oh, you okay? I didn't mean to push you like that. Sit down. Hey, buddy.
I got the doggy.
Hi, babies.
The doggy. There's a magical doggy
Your breast
chilling with his
stinks.
mom.
I love you too.
Hello,
Look at the boat out there. Sound like a frog over here. You can't even do it. Whatever you're just doing.
in my hand.
No, look, there's two boats now. About to crash now. I'm just kidding.
I'm running back. Before I go. Oh, hey, my boyfriend back. Hey,
It
oh
would be
boy.
nice to just be on a boat.
Boyfriend.
Good.
Good. My brother's here. My cousin is here.
I reckon it's the same as water
Man, you
rafting.
were working.
Huh?
No, really. Water rafting, aren't you standing
I
up?
don't know. What's the difference between the two?
Okay, this, you're in a little thing like this, and you row, or like, you know, you move yourself.
Yep.
They have, it's a one person or a two person. We can get a two person. Well, Cody's gonna be with me, so. He's
A
gonna-
free person.
Why are you videotaping me?
Free person.
You're not putting this on YouTube.
I am.
No, Cody.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to post me on YouTube. You know how I feel about that.
Well, I am in.
Subscribe.
The Cody's little 5858. Right, Mom?
But
Cody,
anyways,
please, I'm trying to hit 20
really fun.
subscribers so you can do a special video.
really cool. It's like,
Right
I don't know, so
there.
much an hour.
Bye, guys.